What am I gonna do with that boy? Jason, we need to have a talk about your future.
What's going on, Mom?
Your teachers have informed me that your grades are slipping. If this continues, you will fail the semester.
I don't care, Mom. I want to drop out of school. Why am I even wasting my time? Music is my future.
I know you're talented, Jason, but I just don't want you to wake up one day with nothing to fall back on. Life is more than just chasing dreams. Without school, there is no future. What if this music thing doesn't work out?
Mom, I'm telling you, this is my future. I'm good at this. I don't need a diploma to tell me that. I've been working hard, building something. People are starting to notice me. This is my chance.
A chance? Jason, you think you can make it big overnight? You don't get how hard it is. I worked my whole life to give you the opportunities you have, so you wouldn't have to struggle the way I did.
I'm not you. I'm not gonna give up my dream and end up working a dead-end job that doesn't have a future. Mom?
Oh, honey, I just don't want to see you make the same mistakes I did. I had to drop out of high school when I had you. I thought I could handle it, but it was hard. So hard.
I know, Mom. I can see that now. I can see how much you hurt, how much you sacrificed. I still believe in my music. It's not just a dream, it's who I am. But you're right. I can't just throw away all you worked for. I'm not gonna miss my shot because I'm in a classroom. And I'm not gonna miss my chance to make you proud. I'll finish school, I'll get that diploma, and I'll keep working on my music, harder than ever. And I'll make sure that I have something solid to back me up, just in case, for the both of us.
Oh, Jason, it's been so hard to let go and trust that you'll make the right choices. I focused on protecting you from the pain that I went through, that I forgot to let you live.